Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to download and install Stardew Valley in your laptop. For that, go into any browser and then search for Steam. Then click on the first link and sign into the Steam account, adding all of your credentials. Once you have done that, there you will see search button. Type Stardew Valley. Now, simply scroll down and click on the Add to Cart. Then click on View My Cart. There you can see my cart has a Stardew Valley. Now, click on Sign into Purchase and it will start your payment process and it will be downloaded in your laptop or PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.